crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's the 1st of April, so it's time for the Spellbinder Club Kits. So I'm gonna show you the cards I made. So this one is made with the small die of the month that is called Pansy Seed Cup. They are super lovely flowers, and I created like a little crate that is using the 3D embossing folder of the month. The sentiment is from the presence foil of the month, and I use as a border pieces of a previous collection, so not part of the club. This one is made with piece and bits from it's got the large die of the month, the bottle of milk, and of course the flowers from the small die of the month. And the cookie jar is part of Tina Smith collection, that is Make It and Bake It, or Bake It and Make It, one of the two. This sentiment is from a previous collection, Foliage and Texture and Foliage, I think. Now this one is made with part of the large die of the month, these fun peppers. They're super cute, and I pair them together with the present foil of the month. It created this super cool frame design. Sentiment is again part of the same present foil. For the next card, I used the 3D embossing folder of the month that created this beautiful background. I just emboss in white. Sentiment again of those tulips are from the large die of the month, and the sentiment from the presence foil. And this bow is from a previous collection that is, I think, is a perfume bottle from Gorgeous You. And for my next card, there you go. This is the large die of the month that created this super cool bag. It just comes with the handle and this stitch detail. That is super lovely. And I used the normal, and this is the 2D embossing folder, this texture that looks like a bag canvas that I really love. So I create a big bag, and then of course inside we got you got bread, cheese, peppers, and what do you call that? I don't remember. I got anyway, vegetables, and that is super fun. Absolutely love it. Sentiment again from the present foil. This one is from I used the stitching die of the month without stitching. It comes with some sentiment in a stick, like in the market, you know, you got the prize things on sticks. And again, I used that bow and the 2D embossing folder. Here you can see better the stitching die with the stitching in this case. So I've got onions and a carrot and I don't remember the name of that. Beetroot, I think. Another sentiment that say rooting for you this time. So it's it comes with a couple of sentiments. And even the board for to create the mud, basically the earth separation. This one again, because I love it so much, I used the carrot and the beetroot without stitching, and I used some googly eye. That was no, not googly eye. Sorry, those one as a monster high animal, and as a background, of course, I used the 2D embossing folder. So super fun. And now for the last few cards, this is created with this special, when you get the crate, you get a special die or, you know, anyway, create the word hello, and it's got a jar, and I didn't use the jar, but I create a few more with the jar. There you go. So it's create this fun jar with hello label, and you got pickles, cucumber pickles, or you get as well some olives. I made a shaker with this one, and the olives is got garlic and peppers in it. That I absolutely love. And look how fun is this. I used the crate, market crate 3D embossing folder for background. And I made another shaker here. This time I used the strawberry, again come on the same die set. So this really, really special, basically the free die when you get the all crate clubs, sorry. They include all the clubs. So here are the cards I made. So I had a lot of fun. It's a lovely collection. I mean, it's a lovely set of clubs. So it's got for everything. So you can have food related or not, floral, and they're super, super fun. And I could make a lot more, and I will. So I will list it, all the clubs down below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing. I will see you soon with some video with more items from these clubs. Bye! Lose myself deep, step and emboss, feel the release. In the shimmer I find my peace. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul. When the silence starts to creep, I turn to cardstock, lose myself deep. Stamp and emboss, feel the release. In the shimmer, I find my peace. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul.